Xin chào các em, chị là Ivy. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial of how to do this homework right here called Grammatical Structure homework. And as always, I have here a very detailed instruction for everyone to follow. And you can always watch this video to follow step by step and understand exactly what to do for this homework. Okay, so just following this instruction right here, and if you see the homework how it's set up, then you're going to type your answer in the answer box. And the first thing that you need to do is to find an article of your choice and include the link in the answer box. Okay, so I'm going to do this, start a new tab. And then what you want to do to find your article is to type out any keyword that you like. So I like makeup, so I will type makeup. And then I will click on more, news, because you want to find a news article. And just kind of scrolling through the results page, you have 190 million results, right? And whichever title that grabs your attention, then you can click on that one. This one seems interesting. The real reason you should take a short break from makeup. I'm going to click on that. And what you want to do is to find 5 grammatical structures that you think are very interesting. And then type that down in the answer box, okay? So let me do this first. Copy and paste the link here. And then I'm going to scroll through this and kind of read through it. Right off the bat, I see this one. This one's really interesting. And I just paste it here. Okay. And then what you want to do is when you find an actual sentence in the article and you paste it in the answer box, so you can learn the sentence structure of this sentence. You want to put this in quotation marks, so I know that it's not your sentence. You actually copy it from the article, and from then you want to just write down the structure of this sentence. Okay, so let's see, it can, would, might, right? Original verb. Okay. If. And then we have past participle verb. Yeah. Very cool. All right. So there we have it. The sentence structure is basically a conditional structure, but instead of having like a full clause S plus V plus O, we have just a past participle verb, like a phrase. You can add adverb if you like, right? Something like that. So now you're going to have to create an example sentence to show me that you now know how to use the sentence structure in your own language to adopt this into your dictionary, okay? So I will say something like, if then right, it would be very cool. That would be my own sentence, okay? Let's do a couple more to show you how it's done. Obviously, you have to find 5, okay? And let's see if there's another one that is good. Okay. Which is just language for saying it won't clog pores. So this one seems interesting to me. Okay, put that in quotation mark. And which is just language for saying this sentence structure is an equivalence to, in other words, which means, so it's a very cool signposting language, or another name for it is like a discourse marker to further explain the point that you just made. So if you see here, the full sentence is any product that you put on across the majority of the face, especially sunscreen, should be non-comedogenic, which is just language for saying it won't clog pores. So they're trying to explain what non-comedogenic means, like give a definition to that word to help the audience or the listeners understand really, really clearly what you're trying to say by non-comedogenic, right? So let me give an example to this. Using this sentence structure, I would say something like, I'm very thankful, which is just language for saying I am very appreciative of you, something like that, right? Okay, cool. All right, let's do one more so you really understand. And then to show you that when you go through some articles, you can find the sentence structures that native speakers, right, native people, they usually use, especially these bloggers, these writers, they write really well, so their language is really, really well put, and you can learn from them. Let me see. Okay. Any other articles that, or any other sentence structures that I find cool to learn? Ah, right here. Makeup can help you. Okay, so help you go with, help you goes with verb, original verb. That's a very basic sentence structure, but we have distinguish yourself from the crowd. I like this one. Okay. All right, put that in quotation mark. So the sentence structure is the word distinguish, okay, plus somebody from something, or a gerund, what we call it a verb aim in Vietnamese, right? An example for this. And this means, this is an equivalence to set somebody apart from something over me. Let me try to shorten it. Okay? And this is a very nice sentence structure as well. And what we want to say is, I'm doing my best to distinguish myself from my entire class. You're trying to be the best, you're trying to stand out. Yeah, it's another equivalence to stand out from everything else, right? Very cool sentence structures right here. Okay? And then repeat the process until you have 5 different sentence structures. And sometimes one article might not give you all 5, just because you yourself know a lot of sentence structures already. And this exercise is to help you expand your vocab in terms of, or not your vocab, but expand your knowledge of sentence structures. Okay, and you might have to go through a few articles to find something that is new to you, that is interesting, that grabs your attention. Okay, so just do that, and when we come to class, we can try and use this in our IELTS exercises. Okay, have fun, and if you have any more questions after watching this video, please feel free to contact me. Okay, I hope you have a good one. Bye.